Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I gonna unbox this POCO M2 Pro that I have ordered on Monday in a flash sale. I got it delivered today. Thanks Flipkart for delivering it in 2 days. Alright, so yeah, so this is the box that I have received. It says made in India and these are the specs. Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, inbox 33-watt charger, 4GB, 64GB variant. Let's open the box now. Yeah, this is how it comes. So this is where we have the back case. Let's open the box now. Yeah, so this is the transparent back case that they have provided, and we can see that SIM ejector tool. Okay, let's keep them aside and let's take the phone into hand. It's a bit heavy though, and let's pull out the cable that they have provided. You can see this Type-C cable for charging, and let's remove the beast, the charging beast. 33-watt charger, super fast charger. Let's keep the box aside and let's take out the mobile. The screen size is 6.67 inch, and let's peel off this. So this is how it looks pretty cool, though it is heavy and bigger in hand. Yeah, so you should get used to that. So let's open the SIM tray. Let's see. There it is. Yeah, we can have a dual SIM and memory card in that. That's a good thing. And they have provided a thin film to protect the screen, and we have the noise cancellation mic, IR blaster, the audio jack, charging port, the speaker grill, and side we have the power button and volume rockers. And on the power button itself they have provided the fingerprint scanner, which is a cool thing. I really liked it. Alright, it is booting up. It came up and we need to set up the device. I'll test this device thoroughly and we'll post another video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.